Get in luck.
Hi, little boy. Wow. What's that? What's that? Well, look. What's this?
That's for me.
And this is for you.
This is for me.
Okay. What do you call it?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee. Well, what about this? You want to give this to Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Say surprise.
Surprise.
So you made it.
Thank you.
Dada made.
Dada, you want to help me carry it in? Okay, don't drink it because it's dirty, okay? And put it in the kitchen. Can I come in? Okay, there you go. Yeah, we'll drink some more, okay?
Don't drink it right now.
Yeah, that's Landry's prize, Mom.
Did Dada bring you prize?
Did Dada bring prize?
Can I drink it?
No.
Yeah, we'll go make some more.
Go put it in the kitchen?
That's dirty. We'll go wash it, okay? Let's go
Take it in
put
the kitchen.